Hi. Welcome back to our channel.
Koredesi. I'm not sure what she's up to.
You didn't let me do the desi.
Kore.
Desi.
Okay. So what are we doing today? Don't say hi.
We are doing 12 official thriller.
Yeah, it's quite awaited actually.
So I'm speaking in a tone.
You are speaking with that excitement?
Yeah.
Okay.
12.
Let's watch it.
Just say.
오랜만이네요.
아 이놈들은
So good to see you back.
돌아다니는 거야?
뭐야 이 돼지 새끼!
꿀꿀? 애들이 싸움을 잘 못해.
여긴 상황 종료. 오케이.
우리 엔젤 캐피탈은 지난 100년 동안 돈을 못 받은 적이 없습니다.
100 years.
오기 너의 힘이 필요해. 나한테 원하는 게 뭐야? 영혼석들을 찾아 미래에게 있는 용의 영혼만 빼앗아 하나로 합쳐 생명을 불어넣으면 해태의 힘을 부활시킬 수 있어.
만만하게 생겼으니까 이런 일이 생기지. 무슨 소리야? 너무 귀엽게 생겼잖아, 대장.
Yes.
난 이제 세상을 지옥으로 만들 거야.
우리 일반 사람이랑 다를 바 없는데 무슨 수로 악기랑 싸워?
왜 갑자기 오기에 볼이나 붙걸까?
네가 내 영혼석 가져갔냐?
수천 년을 기도했거든. 다시 지옥문을 열기 위해서.
이제 세상이 온통 악으로 뒤덮일 거야. 단 하루 그 안에 미래를 찾고 다시 지옥문을 봉인한다.
나와 함께 한다면 지금보다 강한 힘을 가질 수 있어.
이거면 대답이 되겠나?
Who is this one?
Seo In-guk, he's the same guy, my ghost client's brother-in-law.
No, he's
He's the same guy.
Death Games guy, the lead.
He's the same guy.
Just see the mole. He's Death Games guy.
He's the same guy.
Just Google it right now. He's Seo In-guk.
We'll Google it. You just continue the trailer.
August 23. We have to watch it. We have to watch it.
Boom.
We have to watch it.
So it was a mix of thriller, action,
Mythology.
yes, sci-fi kind of. Not sci-fi, I would say traditionally mythologically fiction.
Myfic. What do you say these days to
Myfic, the new world. And let's say
I love any story with angels and demons. I love any story.
I love any story with stones.
Okay,
which
yeah,
give you
the guy
power.
we have to search. He was, I'm sure, the Death Games guy. What was his name?
Park In-guk.
Please! We have to 12
Cast.
Damn! Oh. K drama.
Movie.
Is it a drama or a movie? So,
In-guk.
what are we doing?
Leave my hair, leave.
Yeah, it's the Death Games guy.
Why did I?
He has done so many things where he has played mythical
Yeah, that I know.
characters.
He was also in that where he was God.
No, Grim Reaper, Abyss. In Abyss, he was
in Abyss also, and in Doom at Your Service. So he was Doom.
Oh yeah.
I was talking about Doom at Your Service.
Yeah.
Why did I mistakenly take him for the other guy?
The other guy's name is quite weird. He's not like normal, this kind of a name,
Okay.
which you were confusing him with.
The light was dim in the trailer.
I can recognize him anywhere because of his mole.
Oh yeah.
That
Just
is-
like you have it.
But he has a distinct. Bo-
And let's talk about the trailer.
It was too much happening, and I was so engrossed. Maybe I will watch it again at 0.75 speed
You know what? That's actually true. And
to understand what is happening scene by scene.
And I was actually confused if Park
They were villains. The team was a villain.
villains or team was a hero.
Humans were, I think, the normal people, and these guys were villains. And yeah,
It felt like Park Hyun-sik.
yeah.
He had, because of his feathers, because of his wings, he felt like more of a demon.
Yeah. So, what is the main lead guy? Ma Dong-seok.
Ma Dong-seok and
We
Park
have seen
Hyun-sik.
him in
Yes.
Doctor Strange. He's the guy in Doctor Strange, right?
Not sure.
Why are we googling everything? Wait. He's here. Oh, he is.
Train to Busan guy. Yeah. Okay.
But he's quite famous.
Yeah,
I thought
in
he
K
was
movies.
I thought he was the guy in Doctor Strange.
No.
Why did I think that?
Oh.
Okay, the guy seems quite similar to that
So
guy.
you got one wrong. I got one wrong.
Now we are even.
Yes. Okay. Let's move beyond the cast.
It's coming on August 23 itself. I can't wait. Now we have so many things lined up to watch.
I think August, after August is the month, like movies
And-
and series keep on tak releasing
And I think we are going to start watching the series
fully.
live.
Yeah.
Maybe we can start with Butterfly on Prime Video.
We can.
But they would be dropping in their episodes maybe weekly, so I don't want to watch any series. I can't wait for episodes. I have to wait for it to like completely drop in.
True, because then it's more of a thriller for you and you can't wait.
I can only binge watch. I cannot watch without the binge.
I think the only drama which we watched when on the days it came was When the Phone Rings.
And Vincenzo
Yes.
and Squid Games season
No,
1.
No, Squid Games I think we watched in one go. Or whatever, leave it.
But Vincenzo also we watched.
yeah, Vincenzo.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
true.
used to. Okay, so let's. I think that's all.
You did not speak about the trailer at all. You spoke about the people.
We spoke about all the other things except the trailer.
And the lady. Let's speak about the lady as well then.
So the I know the girl,
Yes. She has been again like
Queen of Tears,
yes.
and she was main lead in a recent drama which we saw. I am forgetting the name.
What else? I think that's it.
Yeah,
Otherwise, we're gonna keep this video getting dragged.
exactly.
Alright, bye guys. See you in the next video.